this is how I layer the bottom of my pan. Vanilla wafers and banana. You can do it however you want. That's flat. So I added strawberries to it, and it's gonna give it a pop of flavor. Trust me, trust me. Okay, now we're gonna start with our mixture of 1 packet of French vanilla, second pack, half the pack of banana cream. So now that we have our pudding to the side, we're gonna add our block of cream cheese. 1 can of condensed sweetened milk. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. So now I'm going to add in some cinnamon, a dash of cinnamon, a dash of nutmeg, and only a dash, and then some vanilla extract. I have imitation, but if you have the real thing, go for it. A couple teaspoons of that. Okay, and then I'm going to mix this. We're going to add 1/2 a cacao. Added some more bananas and some more strawberries. I'm going to add the final layer to the top. And we'll be back.